guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be skincare related. I did a skincare routine, like a full-on skincare routine, I think back like end of November, somewhere around there, and a lot of the products I am using are the same, but this video I wanted to talk about some products that have been like supplementing into my routine or substituting, things like that, because I do try a lot of new products, but there are my staples that I have in my skincare routine. So in this video we have some like kind of like overnight products, some spot treatments, some body skincare as well, and, you know, just some like add-ins that I've been adding into my routine, like certain serums. So if you guys are interested in learning more about these products, keep watching. I know a lot of you guys are interested because I swear anytime I post like anything, like I could post a picture of my freaking toe and you guys would be like, skincare routine? Picture my dog. Skincare routine. Like, I see you guys out there in my DMs, in my comments, asking about skincare. So here we are. I personally love skincare. Now that I'm getting older, I just am really into it. Like, I just want to be forever young. Like, there's nothing wrong with getting older, but there's also nothing wrong with wanting your skin to look youthful. First and foremost, H2O. H to the Izzo. You can get this pretty much anywhere. Highly recommend. Okay, so first, let's talk about... so what do we want to talk about first? Okay. There's a lot of products. I don't know what to talk about first. What should we talk about? So I think I'm gonna start with body skincare because I haven't really talked about that too much recently. But these are two products that I bought on Amazon a while ago and I've really been loving, and I wanted to suggest them to you guys. So these are both from the brand Medix, and the packaging is obviously super cute. I love like the pastel colors. I love the square with the pump. Like, I need a body lotion with a pump. I don't like digging into a tub, getting it under my fingernails, and then I'm just like trying to get it out from under there for the rest of my life. Like, I need a pump, okay? So these are both vegan and cruelty-free, free from parabens, alcohol, animal-derived ingredients, PEGs, formaldehyde, sulfates, dyes, triclosan, propylene glycol, mineral oil, and talc. So they're free from a lot of things, and I've really been loving them. My skin has been so dry, ashy, scaly, flaky. My skin has basically just been freaking out because I went from Arizona here, Hawaii here, Dominican Republic here. So I'm just in all these different climates. My skin is just like, what are you doing to us? Like, what are you doing? Anyway, so the two that I have are the collagen and caviar and the coconut oil and manuka honey. So this one's more for like anti-aging and firming and tightening your skin. And then this one is supposed to help with scars, stretch marks, hydration, elasticity. So they're both really good for using on your body. I haven't tried these on my face personally, but you probably could use them on your face. But I just love how moisturized they make my skin. Like, the moisture lasts on me, and it does have like a little bit of a fragrance at first. I don't know if it's added fragrance or what, but the fragrance doesn't stay with you all day. But they both smell really good. This one's kind of floral. This one kind of has like that shea butter, coconut butter kind of vibe to it. They also have a few other ones that come in different colors, and you know, they have different purposes and different scents. So I kind of want to try a few others, but I've really been loving these for the body. Next up, I want to talk about a few serums. So this one has been my go-to for dry skin on my face. Like, my skin was peeling and flaking and scaling so bad at one point, and a lot of you guys suggested this product, and I decided to try it out, and I'm not disappointed at all. So this is the Drunk Elephant Bee HYDRA Intensive Hydration Serum. It is so good. It comes out in a very light consistency. Like, it just goes on like this. Very lightweight serum. You can layer this underneath your moisturizer, mix it in with your moisturizer, but I always put a moisturizer on top of this just for extra hydration. So the main ingredients of this are provitamin B5, which helps to hydrate and improve the skin barrier, pineapple ceramide, which boosts luminosity and improves the appearance of skin texture and tone, and then lastly, there is a watermelon, apple, and lentil complex, which hydrates, improves moisture retention, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. So I am totally obsessed with this. If your skin has been super dry, try this. I tried so many things and they either left my skin feeling like really tacky and gross or just not hydrated enough, and this has just been the answer for me. So the next serum that I want to talk about is a booster from Paula's Choice. This is the C15 Super Booster, and this has 15% vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid. And the way you want to apply it is from thinnest consistency to the thickest consistency. So I will apply the Drunk Elephant, and then I will apply this C Booster that I'm going to talk about, and then go in with my moisturizer. So anyways, if you're not familiar with vitamin C, it really is to help with anti-aging and evening out your skin tone. So I've been putting this all over my face to help with dark spots and, you know, sun damage, and it's really been helping. It comes in a little dropper applicator, so you can just drop it in and add it to your favorite moisturizer or apply it by itself. All of the vitamin C ferulic acid products that I have tried smell like hot dog water to me, which is really gross. Like, it just smells like hot dogs to me. And I like hot dogs. I know those are super gross and terrible for you, but I like eating hot dogs in the summer on the grill, whatever, don't judge me. But I don't really want my face to smell like that, so I make sure to always apply something over this. Otherwise, I feel like the scent can really just be overpowering, so definitely want to layer or mix this with something else to kind of offset it. Then the next product I want to mention is a spot treatment, and this is good if you have any stubborn spots on your face that just like won't go away. So for me specifically, I've been using this on my milia spots under my eye. I don't know what it is, but there's certain things that bother my skin and they instantly pop up, whether it's makeup or a new skincare product. I haven't pinpointed all of the irritants that cause it, but I don't know. Anyways, Paula's Choice, they recommended me to try this product, and I swear it has been working amazingly. So this is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting BHA 9. This is for stubborn imperfections. It says right on the website that it's for enlarged or clogged pores, bumps, patches of rough, dry skin. It's even suitable for skin prone to milia. This is a leave-on spot treatment, so you put it on, you know, wherever you need it, but you don't wash it off. You leave it on there. And this just has a really nice light texture. It doesn't feel like anything, like it just comes out like this clear little liquid, and it has been like a game changer for me. I honestly noticed a difference like overnight with this, so I'm definitely going to be keeping this in my arsenal for any little overnight emergencies, anything like that, to clear them up quickly. So wanted to mention that. And then the next product I wanted to mention are these ELEMIS Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So these are an exfoliating pad. So there's a lot of products out there like this, but these are just nice if you want to just quickly go over your face and exfoliate them. This has like lactic acid and some topical exfoliants, and then, you know, the pad itself kind of has like these textured little bumps that you can kind of just, you know, scrub your face with. So sometimes I'll apply these in the morning or at night, and then apply a moisturizer over top if I want to just quickly go ahead and do a little bit of exfoliating. These have been my go-to, but my favorite exfoliant is definitely still the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow that I talked about in my skincare routine. I've not found a product that I love better than that for smooth glass skin. These are nice just for like every day. They're a lot more gentle than that, so if you're new to like chemical exfoliants, maybe start with something like this. But I really, really love the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow, but I wanted to just kind of talk about these super quick. So they're from ELEMIS. They are the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So that's that. Next, I want to talk about an eye cream. I recently put one on my Instagram stories. It was from Julep. It's called So Awake, and I was using it pretty religiously for, I don't know, like 2 weeks or so, like every single day. And it really helps with my under eye bags, but I think that is what was causing my milia to come back, because that was like the only new thing that I was trying. So I stopped using it, and then I've been trying out this anti-aging eye gel from Paula's Choice. I've really been liking this. I love the applicator on it. It's like that really nice cool metal tip. This is not sponsored by Paula's Choice, by the way. I just really happen to love their products, and they're a lot more affordable than some of the other ones out there. So I've really been loving this one. This one has hyaluronic acid and licorice. Helps to visibly depuff, smooth fine lines, refresh, and brighten. So the reason I've been using this is because the texture of this is very, very thin and almost like gel-like. Oh yeah, it's an anti-aging eye gel, so that makes sense. So it just goes on like a gel and wears beautifully under makeup. It is still really hydrating at the same time. I was worried because it's not a cream that it wouldn't be that hydrating, but it actually is very nice and very hydrating. So I've been trying to use this instead just because I was reading that thick emollient textures can cause milia under the eye. So that's a new eye cream that I've been trying and really been loving. If you don't have any concerns with milia, definitely check out the Julep So Awake. I will put a picture. But yeah, now we're going to move into some moisturizers. So previously I was using the Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Cream, which I still love, still really recommend, but this one that I'm going to talk about is a little bit more affordable and I feel like it wears kind of a little bit lighter texture, like especially underneath makeup. So I've been loving this for daytime especially. So this is from Paula's Choice. I did go to the launch party for this product, but this is not a sponsored video. I just really happen to love this and I am going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram. Anyways, this is their new Omega Plus Complex Moisturizer. This has chia and flaxseed, and it is supposed to restore essential nutrients for smooth, healthy, glowing skin, and it's also supposed to strengthen skin's ability to retain moisture. So this is a really good moisturizer. It's very hydrating. It's very lightweight. The consistency of this literally is like a creamy, puffy, like cloud. Like, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, but like it's like this whipped texture. It's very different than any other moisturizer that I have tried. But anyways, it's a really good moisturizer. It has tons of antioxidants in there and it is great for hydration and, you know, making your skin look plump and radiant and youthful and bouncy and all those good things that you want in a moisturizer. So I've really been loving that one. And then a night cream that I've been loving. This is a little bit more on the bougie side, but I'm obsessed with this. So this is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. And this really is magical. I don't even know what is in it. I don't like the other version of this. I think it's the Night Magic Cream. That like literally feels like Vaseline. I don't like that one. So this one just comes in a little pot like this. And the consistency of this is a lot thicker, like a night cream usually is. So this one is very hydrating. It's very thick. So when I use this at night, when I wake up in the morning, I don't know what it is, but it's like my face has been transplanted from a baby's bottom. Like it is so soft, so smooth, has like no texture, no pores. Like I'm just like, what, whose skin is this? Like I have pretty good skin, I will say that. But when I use this, I don't know what it is. It's just like a baby skin in a bottle. Don't know what it is. Let me look up the ingredients to tell you guys so I can be a little bit more informative. But this is expensive. I think it's worth it though. So I just looked up the main ingredients for this and it says hyaluronic acid, rosehip oil, camellia oil, antioxidant, vitamin E, and BioNymph peptide complex. And it says it's for dryness, fine lines and wrinkles, and loss of firmness and elasticity. So yeah, the combination of all those ingredients literally makes you have a baby's butt on your face. Like it's truly amazing. So I had to mention that. Next up we have an overnight sleeping mask. So that one is like a night cream. This is, you could even put on top of it, but this is more like an overnight treatment mask. I wouldn't use this every single day. This I use probably like every other night just because it is really pricey. And then this I use maybe like once or twice a week if I need like extra dewiness and extra hydration. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and this has the cutest little package ever, and it comes in a little container like this. I have tried the regular, like, I think it's like a gel. It comes in a pump. I like that, but I don't think it's like anything special. It smells really nice, but it's very lightweight and it didn't really hydrate enough for me. So this is a sleeping mask, and the texture is like kind of like this thick jelly texture, and it smells like Jolly Ranchers. It smells amazing, and it goes on like very lightweight, like it's like a thick kind of like goopy gel almost. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't make my face stick to my pillow or anything like that. So this product is really good to wake up with a little bit extra glowiness and dewiness to your skin. It has hyaluronic acid in there again, so it really plumps your skin. It has AHAs in there to do like a little bit of exfoliation and even out your skin tone and make your skin just look more radiant and glowy and luminous. It's from the brand Glow Recipe. It's called Watermelon Glow, but you really do wake up looking glowy and just soft and plump and dewy. So I really have been loving that also. The next up, I want to talk about a retinol cream that I've been using, and I originally put this on my Instagram stories and I was like, oh no, I'm having a terrible allergic reaction to this. I don't think I'm ever going to use it, but I stopped using it and I was still having all of those issues. Like my skin was literally peeling off like a sheet mask. Like it was super gross. But I decided to give this another try and I'm glad I did because I do really like it. So this is from Drunk Elephant. This is their PASSIONI retinol cream. So if you're not familiar with retinol, it's like one of the best, most clinically proven ingredients to help your skin with anti-aging. It has vitamin A in there and it's supposed to help with fine lines, wrinkles, texture, all of those things. So this one is 1% retinol, so it's a little bit stronger than the other ones I've been using. So I started off using this just like once a week. And it's hard to say if I've seen results just because I am relatively young and I don't have like a ton of fine lines and wrinkles, but I've just been using this as like a precautionary measure, or not precautionary measure, preventative measure, just to help with anti-aging. So I've been liking this and I haven't had any bad side effects. My skin isn't freaking out. So whatever reaction I was having when I initially first tried this, it was from something else. So I would definitely recommend this if you guys are looking for a good over-the-counter retinol. And the last product I wanted to mention is a facial mist, and this is also from the ELEMIS brand. It is their Superfood Kefir Tea Mist. So this is supposed to be a 4-in-1 mist. You can use it as a toner, a primer, a setting spray, or just like an all-over hydrating spray, and I've really been loving that. I've been using it just whenever I feel like it, just to add a little bit of extra moisture in there, and it has a very nice like spa earthy smell. I think there's like a bunch of essential oils in there, but I've really been liking this. And the main ingredients in this are Rubio's tea extract, aloe vera, coconut water, and also has prebiotic kefir, which is supposed to help balance the skin. So whatever's in here has really been working for my skin. It keeps it nice and hydrated. If you're using it as a setting spray, it definitely gives you more of a dewy finish, but I've really been liking this. And yeah, that is going to wrap up this skincare video. I don't even know what to call this, but these are just some extra skincare products that I have been incorporating into my routine and have been loving. So don't forget to check out my Instagram if you guys want to enter to win this Paula's Choice moisturizer, along with a bunch of other Paula's Choice favorites, including the BHA liquid, the 2%, which I cannot live without. That's also in my skincare routine. Make sure to check out that skincare routine if you haven't yet, because it has a lot of extra info. Like if you're more interested in other products that I use, check out that video. And yeah, there's a lot of information and I need to stop talking because it's getting overwhelming. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Don't you just hate those people who are just like, I just use water. I just only drink water and I only wash my face with water and I just hydrate it with water and I just only do water. I mean, that's cool, do you, but I'm going to just keep using 45 products per day. And you know, see how that goes. We'll see who looks young in the end, okay? It's probably that other person with all the water, but, you know, just let me have my skincare. Skincare equals self-care. Put it on a bumper